Daily English Expression. While You Sleep. Day 22. Chapter 45. Discussing a recent health problem. I've been dealing with a health issue lately. I'm feeling a bit under the weather. I've been experiencing some symptoms that have been concerning me. I went to see a doctor about my health problem. It's been a bit of a challenge to manage my health issue. I've been taking some medication to help with my health problem. I've had to make some changes to my lifestyle to manage my health issue. It's been a bit scary dealing with this health problem. I'm still trying to figure out what's causing my health issue. It's been affecting my daily life quite a bit. I'm trying to stay positive and focus on getting better. I've been doing some research to try and understand my health problem better. I've been seeing a specialist to help me with my health issue. It's been a bit frustrating not knowing what's causing my health problem. I'm hoping to find a solution soon. It's been helpful to talk to others who have gone through similar health issues. I'm trying to be patient and take things one day at a time. I've been trying some natural remedies to help with my health issue. It's been a wake-up call to take better care of my health. I've had to put some things on hold while I focus on my health. I'm trying to stay active and keep up with my exercise routine despite my health issue. I'm grateful for the support of my friends and family during this time. It's been important to stay informed and educated about my health issue. I'm learning to listen to my body and take breaks when I need them. I'm hopeful that things will improve soon. It's been a journey trying to manage my health issue. I'm trying to stay optimistic and keep a positive attitude. I've had to be more mindful of what I eat to manage my health issue. It's been a learning experience trying to navigate the healthcare system. I'm looking forward to the day when I can say I'm fully recovered.